Check this amazing place. Amazing mountain. Our pathway goes there, and we expect those amazing views from all over the mountain ridge that you see in front of you. We hope it is not going to rain, because they say that it might rain in the afternoon, and it is already the afternoon. But we have waterproof membranes, tourist membranes that we will use if it rains, so we'll be protected. You can see down there the fields, and for now our aim is the hut of Kozata Stena, and I hope you love this landscape on your shorts. Please subscribe and give us a like if you like to watch mountain videos, especially from Bulgaria and the Bulgarian mountains.